Small parts shifting and unstable vacuum gripping. Many manufacturers blame the suction cup, while the real issue often lies in the vacuum source. Blowers provide high airflow but limited vacuum. When machining small workpieces, insufficient holding force can lead to parts shifting under cutting loads or machine vibration. Solving unstable vacuum holding and part shifting starts with a high-performance vacuum source that delivers stable vacuum and sufficient flow. The VD250 delivers stable vacuum levels and sufficient flow, enabling rapid vacuum buildup and consistent holding force. The VD250 delivers reliable holding performance across various workpiece sizes. Even small parts stay securely fixed, reducing part shifting and improving productivity and yield. Even with the same machine setup, the choice of vacuum source can significantly impact holding stability, positioning accuracy, and machining results. In short, VD250 is a full upgrade of blowers for large plate, heavy load, and high-precision machining. A stable vacuum source is the foundation of precision CNC machining, ensuring machine stability, machining accuracy, and consistent product quality. Wordfik Vacuum, your partner in vacuum solutions.